Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to reset Canon G2000 printer. Is your Canon G20 printer is acting up, whether it's unresponsive, showing errors, or you need to a fresh start? Here's how to reset it quickly and easily. You may need to reset your printer if it's not printing or scanning properly, it's showing error codes, or you are setting it up for a new user. You want a clear customer settings. A reset will restore your printer to factory defaults, so make sure to have your Wi-Fi credential ready if needed. Let's start with the soft reset, which can fix most minor issues. Turn off your Canon G2000 printer. Unplug the power cable from the printer. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the printer back in and turn it on. This will refresh the system, and sometimes it's all you need. If you need to restore the printer to factory settings, follow these steps. Make sure the printer is on. Press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. The printer will automatically reset and return to its default settings. Wait for the printer to restart and confirm it has been reset to factory settings. Now your Canon G2000 is back to factory settings. And that's it. Your Canon G2000 printer is now reset and ready to use. If this video helped you, then be sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.